Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be explaining on how you can set up a minimum order amount in your Shopify checkout page. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using Nex Minimum Order Amount MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box, so you can just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Configure button from the Cart Limit section. Now, first thing you have to give a proper title so that you can just easily identify this from list of rules. Let's say like a minimum order amount rule. I'm just saying like this as my title. It should be a meaningful one. It can be anything. And please make sure that you have enabled the rule and click on Cart tab and land on the cart minimum amount. So here we have to give the minimum amount requirement. Let's say like 6,000. So user has to purchase at least 6,000 worth product in order to proceed with the checkout page. So if any user trying to buy products of below 6,000, then we will be showing some error message in the checkout page. So this error message either we can show as a customized message or the default message. So for customized message, just enable this button and add the customized message over here in this field. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the default message will be available in the checkout page. So the setup is done. Now let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products of worth 6,149 in my cart. Let's make it below 6,000. Now total cart value was 3,149. Now I'm trying to check out. So the error message is saying that our cart value or the total cart value must be at least 6,000, and now we have only 3,760. So now let's add some more products to the cart. So I'm adding this product to the cart and let's make it above 6,000. Now I have my cart value, which is 8,223, which is greater than 5,000. So you can see that the error message has disappeared here. So that's how you can enforce a minimum purchase amount in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.